Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cindy Marie. I'm so glad that you stopped by today to watch this video. I am going to be doing a fridge clean out before I head to the grocery stores on this payday. We do get paid on Fridays, but I head to Target on Thursdays normally, and then Friday I will stop at Walmart and Sam's Club. So I'm just going to be looking at expiration dates, kind of moving things around, cleaning the shelves. And I'm going to let you just sit back and watch me do this and play some music along the way.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest, but I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my way.
You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride out the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor, call you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need.
Okay, guys. So it's still looking pretty full. We're on our last milk, which is perfect. I only add one to my shopping cart or list. I'll probably get a bigger tub of butter from Sam's Club and just put it in the other fridge. We obviously are gonna need more creamers, but I have like a tiny bit left in this one, and this one's full. Well, you can see hubby's is about to here. We are good on cheese sticks, cheeses. Definitely gonna need some lunch meat. I did not like this Lando Frost brand. It was icky. I'm gonna use the squash tonight. And I restocked my Mountain Dew. No one has touched the pudding, but they're all good. We still have spinach and carrots left. The bag, it was wet in there, so I put another bag around the carrots. And then I have organic long carrots down there for my salads, which I have not touched until today. I actually have one sitting on the counter that I'm gonna put in my salad. This is our last of our eggs. We got like 6 left. All my Trulicities. Cream cheese was still good. I'm gonna use the rest of my bacon, I think today. I have 2 more in the fridge or in the pantry. This is almost gone, but I have a new one waiting. All of our condiments. Butter my son uses for his eggs in the morning. I guess my husband hasn't been eating much of these cookies, so my daughter obviously put her chocolate syrup in there, and then we have some more condiments down there, so yeah. And then the freezer's not too bad. We still have some meat. We have actually quite a bit of meat left, so that's a good thing. So yeah, we got some vegetables too, so that's good. So I know I didn't talk much. Oh, that was dirty. I know I didn't talk much in this video. I kind of just let you watch, and I did voiceover. I decided just to pop onto the screen now to you. I hope that you enjoyed this not Tiny Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed this clean fridge out with me, or clean fridge with me. I figured I would do this before I go to the stores. My finger's in the way, sorry. Before I go to the stores on Thursday and Friday. I really don't have any meal plans or nothing yet, so I thought I would just clean the fridge out and go from there to see what we have, which makes pretty much a lot more sense. I gotta take note of what meat we have in the freezers, this freezer up here, and then the one in the basement, what's in our pantry, what's in our Lazy Susan. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this cleanup. The fridge actually wasn't too bad. If you notice that even though Mrs. Cleaner is more of a safe cleaner than your other cleaners, I only use it on these 3 shelves. These shells I'll clean out with soap and water, or just water. They weren't very dirty, so I just rinsed them out with hot water. These I didn't feel like cleaning. I mean, maybe I should have. I didn't feel like it this time. Yeah, they probably do need some cleaning, so we'll leave that for next time. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you like, comment, subscribe. I want to get these my subscribers up. I've been stuck on 138 and 139. I would love to get up to 500 by the summer. That would be awesome. I'm trying. So if you could just comment and share and like and do what you can, I really truly appreciate it. Hope you guys have a good day. Bye.